Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to set what to expect during our virtual in-service training. Now, what are our expectations to this in-service training? I would answer this question on both sides of the table. To speakers, participants, and of course, to the program management. We have three basic expectations to the speakers. First, to be informed. Indeed, your first duty is to properly convey your message. It is your responsibility as a speaker to create the conditions that will allow your audience to hear, understand, and remember the fundamental points of your idea. Second, to be captivated. It is customary to say that presentations are generally perceived as boring. Yet, you must recognize that the audience likes nothing better than to get enthused about someone who knows how to capture and hold participants' attention. Audience like speakers who know how to find words to make them amuse and enjoy the session. And lastly, to be inspired. This is the one that is most often overlooked. Being inspired. It is up to the speaker to share with the audience the raison d'etre for speaking and the underlying meaning of his or her presence. Those who do this are the ones who leave the deepest impact on our minds. Fulfilling these three expectations contributes to showing influential speaker and leaving a strong record of each of your speaking engagements. To the participants, remember we are in charge of our learnings, so we're gonna set some expectations to begin our learning journey. First things first, you are required to log in to the virtual room on time. Also, we want to ensure that when we return from breaks in real times, then we also return on time. And we're gonna be remaining in virtual classroom until we are dismissed. So, it's important to be present at all times. Be engaged through interaction and participation with the speakers as well as to your co-participants. Another thing is, speak up. Diverse points of view are welcome by engaging in question and answer with the speakers. They serve to enhance our learning process, but keep in mind that anything offensive in terms of language or actions that violate our policy won't be tolerated. We are all expected to demonstrate professional behavior, and that includes maintaining decorum during the duration of the session. Lastly, we are expected to be motivated, energized, and ready to go back to work applying new techniques and skills we just learned. These are the expectations to the program management. Smooth and manageable flow of the program. Constant monitoring of attendance. Comprehensive evaluation mechanism. Timely issuance of certificates. And of course, to top it all, the success of the training. Let's grow, empower, and transform together. May we have a happy, productive, and meaningful inset.